Okay, so I'm going to bring in my a friend of mine over here. Can you come in, Nick? Give me a hand with this. This should give you an idea of how to bring all of this stuff together and make it congruent, okay? So we're fighting. I'm going to throw my left foot, my left hand. It would be a punch, would be one, right? So instead of throwing the punch, I'm going to throw a kick, an eye poke. Okay, second punch is 1, 2, right? It's going to be kick, eye poke, palm heel strike. Okay, the third punch is 1, 2, hook. So it's kick, eye poke, palm heel strike, palm heel strike. And of course the last one is kick, eye poke, palm heel strike, step back, uppercut, groin strike, bridge of nose, throat, whatever. And you link them together, and that's how you start to practice them. And in the old times, the boxers used to call it shadowboxing. You don't have to have an opponent as long as you know why you're practicing what you're practicing. And you put that all together and make it congruent. So you're using your punches, your movements, your foot, how to move, using kicks. By the way, it doesn't have to be just a snap kick. It could be a caressing kick, it could be a roundhouse, it could be any kick that you like to use in your style, whatever that you do. So, so you're looking at somebody, your side kick, boom, 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 whatever, right? Just so you know that you're not stuck and locked into just a snap kick. Snap kick is fine. Snap kick to the groin, snap kick to the knee, snap kick to the inner thigh is another one. Instead of kicking here, you turn it and kick here. See how he shook when I touched him? So that's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what all that work is about that you've been doing. 500 punches, 500 this way, moving with the feet. Then now you got your thrusting fingers, which is another video you'll find on my website, Capkido.com. And you got our iron fist, our shredding claw. You can use the claw, you can grip the throat. There's all kinds of things you can do. But that all gets connected with those 5 punches. So you do that uppercut, and when you're up here, you bring it down, smash and bridge your nose, or smash and collarbone, right? So it's uppercut, boom. If you didn't hit him hard enough, he should go flying backwards. From up here, you just smash the nose, smash the groins. You can use this punch now, come this way and do number 1 again, or eye poke, or palm heel strike. So these punches and these strikes are interchangeable if you have the hand technique and the dexterity to do them. And that's why you need to go and practice these things 500, 1,000, 10,000 times, however many times it takes in order to make it become muscle memory, which in turn becomes instinctive. You don't have to think about it from an eye poke, kick, or you just do it. Okay? Thank you, Nick. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make sure that you're able to understand how this all comes together. It all fits together, okay? And that's how it fits together. So this is a very important video. So for you knuckleheads that jumped ahead, this is worthless to you. You gotta practice. Practice, practice, practice. Good, better, best. Never let them rest to you. Good is better and your better is best. You need to practice this so many times that it becomes a natural, just like brushing your teeth. It's a natural, you just do it. It's just done. Okay. So the other thing is, what are we going to do, Nick? What is it that we need to do on YouTube?
So there's the Funk about all the nonsense on YouTube about the martial arts.
Thank you. Okay. Come over to my website, Capkido.com, or Defunkin the Funk. Either one of those will bring you to my website, and check out all the free stuff we got there.